In this video, you will learn how MachiningCloud provides precise feeds and speeds for your selected cutting tools. Feeds and speeds are crucial settings in machining. Let's get going. After selecting your cutting tool in MachiningCloud, you can access feeds and speeds at the top of the product page or anywhere you see the highlighted feeds and speeds icon. Once selected, input your material and MachiningCloud will provide feeds and speeds data in 3 different ways. 1. Direct data. As you can see here, we first retrieve feeds and speeds directly from the manufacturer. 2. Manual collection. If direct data is unavailable, MachiningCloud manually collects the necessary information from the manufacturer's website, indicated by a blue caution icon. 3. AI-powered data. If there are still gaps, MachiningCloud uses AI to fill them, highlighted by the AI icon, ensuring you have all the information needed to start machining your part. Please also be aware that an insert not mounted to anything will not show any feeds and speeds. Once mounted in an assembly, the feeds and speeds icon will be available. Using MachiningCloud's feeds and speeds recommendations, you can ensure your machining operations are both effective and efficient. Thanks for watching.